Jeff Simon here again from Social Flight with our T-51 Mustang build. When you have an aircraft as cool as this T-51D Mustang, you know that once you get it flying, you're going to want to drill some holes in the sky. And one of the things that you want to do when you do that, lay down some smoke. And so we have decided that we are going to install a smoke system, and this is the best time to do it while you're building the fuselage, while you're laying everything and building from the inside out. And so one of the other issues that you have with this is with this big V8 engine out front, it's really important to get as much weight as possible in the tail so that the weight and balance works out when your aircraft is done. That's something that they advised us at Titan Aircraft when it came to building this. They said anything you can do to add more weight to the tail is going to help you in the end. So we are going to build a shelf in the tail that allows us to have space to put in a smoke tank, the pump for it, and then also other accessories such as an emergency locator transmitter, anything else that we're going to put on that shelf that helps locate weight aft and gets a nice structure in place for us to use moving forward. And so we're going to get some help as well from Jake and Ben, Lily and Joe, and get them to work as well. And so we will model this. I'll let them take over and you will see them now go and learn how they are going to template it all out with paper and move the rest of the way to a finished strong structure of a shelf in the tail and mount that smoke tank. All right, I'm here with Lily. Hi, Lily.
Hi.
How are you doing? So you wanted to come today and work on our T-51 Mustang, right?
Yes.
So we're going to work on the smoke tank. And airplanes that you see in air shows that have these nice long smoke trails that look super cool, all that is done by taking smoke oil and having that sprayed into the exhaust of the airplane when it goes by. So exhaust is hot, right? And that burns this smoke, and sometimes you might be driving down the road and you see a car that's putting out a lot of smoke. That's not on purpose, right? In this case, it's going to be on purpose. That's why we're going to do this. So we have this tank back here. Let me take this here. This is our smoke tank. We had this tank made actually, and it fits into the tail, and we have to mount it. So we have this great little shelf here that was built by Jake. He's got this whole thing designed. Ben helped with that also. And we're going to mount it here. And so let's go over and we'll see where the mounting points are that we put in place. And we'll drill the holes, put some bolts in, and get this thing ready to go. And then eventually we're going to have a door on the side here that opens up. And that's how we're going to get in to put our smoke oil in. All right, you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we've mounted the front bracket, so we're going to test fit it. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Put that in place. And now I'm going to hold this out of the way. Okay. Wow, nice job. Nice and tight. I think I'm ready to go. Okay, so smoke tank is in place, right?
Yes.
So once this whole thing is done and this is on the ground and we're filling this up and going up in the sky and putting smoke in there, we're going to remember this moment and these bolts. We're going to know that it is very, very secure, right?
Yes.
All right, nice job.
Thanks.
Thank you. All right, thanks to Lily, we have this part of the project done. And now we can move on to the next phase of our build.